Guys, nakita ko yung dati kong laruan. Puro Barbie, tapos yung parang puppet. Pero may tubig sa loob. Tapos yung guitar ko na Barbie, maliit lang yun. Tapos Barbie, nakabukas pa talaga. Binibihisan ko siya dati. Hindi lang siya mukhang luma. Pero, naka-seatbelt to dati. Pero ngayon, hindi na. Kasi, naalala ko pa noon kung paano ko ito bihisan. Tinatanggal pa yung ulo. Kaganyan. Kung gusto nyo, hindi na siya magdami, ganyan lang siya. Suotin ko lang. Diba sexy to? Ginawa nilang sampayan na mataba. Kaya umiiyak talaga ako dati. Pag bibihisan ako. Nung 1 years old pa ako nun. Ay, 5 years old pala. 2026 na yun. Ayaw nga, nanonood pala ako.
It does sting your eyes. You're no match for mine. Hey!
I think it's about time we got to the second course.
Lagay na natin siya dito.
Temperature is just right. Time to add main ingredient.
No! Ladybug, what took you so long? Just wait till I tell everyone you... Oops!
Oh no, my bread soup will be so flavorless.
I know you're more honorable than this, Cheng Sifu.
I am not Cheng Sifu. I am Kung Food, the greatest chef in the world.
Ayan.
Nobody will stop me from finishing my
Kasi wala
bread
siyang
soup.
tsinelas. Wala.
Get back, Chloe.
Ito, yung gitara ko
Take care
naman
of you
dati.
to myself.
Talagang miraculous. Galing, no?
Come on, Yakuma must be a shortcut. Try to grab it.
Pwede din yan masira.
Like it spicy?
Lucky charm!
You know, pag yung ano.
I think it's gonna be a steep one.
You think you can beat me with a piece of paper?
You don't want to talk Kung Fu. You've been trying to defeat us with sausages and cheese without any luck on my hat.
Tatlo lang sila. Yung sa iba, isa lang. Yan o. Ganyan ko. So, paglaruan na natin lahat.
All his weapons come from his bag. Destroy it.
Hala niyo walang tubig to. Diba may butas kasi. Kala niyo walang tubig. Ayan.
Your days are over, Akuma.
Ano? May white dyan. Ayan o, takip yan.
Gotcha.
Takip.
I got a little butterfly.
Takip.
Miraculous ladybug!
Yan o.
Mr. Evil dinner was almost perfect. Revenge is a dish that's best served cold. So watch yourself, because I'll be
Rock and roll, baby! Rock and roll yun.
Could you teach me how to make celestial soup, Chang Sifu?
with pleasure, Marinette.
Cooking needs no words.
Seriously? Still making soup? I told you I hate soup. You think the jury is going to approve of this?
Didn't your father kick you off the jury?
No, he didn't. I resigned.
I think Chang Sifu and Marinette have got this covered. Why don't we let the real jury decide?
Ridiculous. Utterly ridiculous.
Chang Sifu, your delicious celestial soup has received the highest marks of all, making you the final winner!
And it will soon be the mayor's special on the restaurant menu of my prestigious hotel.
Rock and roll! I can't wait to get home and write a song about soup!
Rock and roll, baby!
No longer celestial soup, now called Marinette soup.
Shishi.
You're welcome.
I'm over here and stand alongside your uncle, the world's greatest chef!
Nasaan ka? Nasaan ka? Umuwi ka. Gusto ko sana yung ano. Ganito. Kaso, lagi. Hindi ganyan. Ganito naman ang yan.
I'm Marinette. Just a normal person.
Gusto ko sana din yung girly o yung ganyan. Tapos ganyan. Pati ito. Pati ito. Then okay. Ito na nga. Ito. Kesa naging maganda, diba? Kesa naging baba yung buhok niya. Ganon, ganyan. O, yung kanyang buhok. Ganyan. Gantong buhok ang gusto ko. Ginawa nilang buhok. Ayan. Kadiri. Malapit. Ayun. Mamaya ulit. Bibili maghahanap ako ng bago. Ay, maghahanap ako ng luma kong toys. Puro bago kasi yung gusto ko eh. Yuck! Guys, nakakadiri, diba? Kadiri. Hindi ko talaga pag nakita ito ng pinsan ko, totally, paglalaroan niya. Bakla yun sa gagabi.